Hello everyone, welcome to today's session of CAD skills tutorial. Today we'll be looking at LISP commands in AutoCAD. And like many other softwares, AutoCAD allows us to add new features and commands by using a programming language. So we'll be looking at how to use programming language to automate LISP routines in AutoCAD. You would have come across examples where some people magically put dimensions objects or just put some commands in AutoCAD and you wonder where it's from or you can't find it in your AutoCAD. So they are usually LISP routines. You can always get them online from open sources or you could write the code yourself. So I'll be showing you an example of a LISP routine code in this section today and we're going to apply it. So let's look at the code. So the code looks something like this. Let's make it bigger. So this after the defunction, the OA is the AutoCAD command in which we use to call the code by the time we load the LISP routine in our AutoCAD. And this code is quite long, but what it does actually is to enable us to dynamically align a selection of objects to a selected curve and allows us to also use intuitive placement controls. I'll show us how it works soon. So it is just a list of HTML code that I've saved on my computer, and now I'm going to go to AutoCAD and import this code. So let's go to AutoCAD. So I'm just going to type the upload command in AutoCAD. So I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to locate it. This is it here, object align. So I'm going to load it. You can see object align LISP successfully loaded. Then I'm going to click close. So let me just have a random object and AutoCAD. Let's say a polygon of 6 sides. Then let's have this polygon. Then let's have a spline part here. And so now I want to use my object align LISP. So all I'm just going to do is to type OA. So automatically I have this command in AutoCAD because I have loaded that code. I would click enter. So it gives me option to select my object, then specify base point. I would select the center as the base point, and the reason why we need the base point is so as to be able to adjust the object. So you would see it now. Then I'm going to select the curve to align object. So after selecting this curve, you see that I can align this object across this curve in any way. Then because I've selected the center as my base point, I can either increase or reduce the height of the curve by using the plus and minus sign on my keyboard. You can see I can offset it down and still move it across the curve, or I could offset it back up, and I can also change the angle. I can rotate it. So that's just basically what this LISP command does. You could write LISP commands to do anything for you in AutoCAD. You could even make LISP command draw a complete drawing. So I believe with this we've gotten the basic of using LISP command, and during I'll be sharing this LISP command on the comment section of this video for you.